welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you my recent makeup routine that I have been following. There are a few steps that I have changed and I'm going to show it to you very quickly. So this is the Lakme peach milk that I have been using as a moisturizer for a long time now and I have been liking it. I just use a small amount of this. That's more than enough. I'm going to prep my skin with this first. So I have not changed a lot in my skincare. I've been using the same moisturizer, same lip balm and everything. But the makeup procedure, I have changed a few things here and there. Next, I'm using this Vaseline lip balm. It is an amazing lip balm, and it's not too expensive, so it's just good for me. Next, I'm using this Nivea Soft Daily Sunscreen. Um, It's a light moisturizing cream, but I use it on my Lakme moisturizer because it's UV protected. I had bought this with Zepto or something after ordering there online. I got this cream for like 1 rupees, and I have been liking it because it gives you a base to work your makeup on. It's a little on the heavier side. Like I feel all the Nivea creams have been a little heavier compared to any other moisturizer. But I have been liking it because I find it very easy to apply my makeup over it. I get a base to work my makeup very smoothly. Step the primer. I have been using this Insight primer and I find it very blur on the skin. So it actually makes your oily skin a little blur and your foundation will actually stick to your face very smoothly after applying this. I like another primer, which is the Colabar primer. It's a bit on the expensive side, and this one is at the cheaper cost. So if you're looking for something good in under 300 kind of price range, then you can go for the Colabar one. If not, then this one is an amazing replacement for that. It's a very tiny amount of the primer because I mostly use it near my T zone, which is this. I'm gently rubbing this into my skin. I don't want it to blend too much. I just want it to set on my moisturizer so that when I apply my foundation I get a smooth base. As you can see, it's really smooth and very easy to blend. Next, I'm using foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 310, but it is a little light for me, so I am going to mix this Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation, which I have. This is in a darker shade. So I'm going to be using this too, mixing it well, and then applying it onto my face. Let's see if this matches because I usually go with the Maybelline Fit Me, but if I need a little more coverage, then I would try to mix these two. Much better. Using this beauty blender, I'm going to blend this. When I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I usually just try to apply it with my hands. It's easier that way. It looks very seamless and it's not too heavy on the face. Don't forget to take your foundation down the neck because otherwise it's going to look a little bit different from your face. Next up, I'm going with the concealer. I have been using this Insight concealer. I've seen recent videos of this going viral. It is for 120 rupees. Yeah, it was for 110 when I bought it. Now it is for 120 rupees and it has been going viral. It's an amazing concealer. Always use a patting motion on your scars. Don't try to rub it too much because then your concealer is just going to blend into your skin, which is not a. Like you see this one, just pat it, and I'm going in with this blush from Zudio. It's the cheeky flush, apricot flush shade, and it's an amazing shade. It's very skin light. So I find the coverage is really light. It's an amazing shade. You guys have to agree with me. Up is this highlighter. Again, it's from Studio. So this is the peachy blush shade, and this is the highlighter shade. And I think they go well along. So I'm gonna be using this over this. Now going in with the powder stuff. First going in with the all the cream stuffs on my face, and then I like to go ahead with the powder makeup. Now I'm going in with the blush because I think we need to set the blush first and then apply the compact wherever it's required, which is seal out any oily spaces. Going ahead with this matte look bare cheeks blush. It's a peachy shade again, so it will go very nicely with the cream blush that I have applied previously. It's very pigmented, so I'm going to be using one brush, you know, for my entire face. So this actually helps you set your cream blush as well. Instead of using powder and the blush, I just try to set it with the blush. I'm using the Lakme powder, the compact one, and I'm going to be using this to apply it. This makes it very easy to apply the compact powders at the edges. This corner, you see, it actually mattifies this area very easily. It just goes in and works its magic. For the rest of the face, you can just use your brush or anything, but I would suggest you using these kinds of sponge to actually get in these areas and apply your compact. I don't do much to my eyebrows. I just take this eyebrow scoop thing and I just shape them off. I have never done my eyebrows yet. बचपन से अभी तक यही है जो भी है, and I think it's fine. It's not too old. I mean, I don't know. I think it's fine. Next, I'm going to be using this kajal pencil thing, and I'm just going to be drawing lines. Yes. I draw it so much as a fat because I'm going to blur it out any which ways. It doesn't have to be very aligned. Now I'm just going to take my this finger and I'm going to smudge it completely. Now I've smudged it out and I know it's looking a little but we are going to fix this. So this is the eyeshadow palette I've been using for my daily makeup routine thing. It has the browns and a little bit of this dark brown, so it covers up all the shades that you even has this nude kind of shades and all that. And it has one shimmer which is a brown shimmer, which I love. I love like anything. I can use this brown shimmer on daily basis as well because it is so sheer and so pretty. Back to my eye, I'm going to be taking this darker shade from here. Okay, going to pick it on half of my brush and I'm going to just apply it roughly ऐसे करके on my eyeliner that we had used before, the eye pencil that we used before. I like it a little fat. If you guys don't, then y'all can draw a thin line and do it. But I feel it looks nice as a mere pe. Everyone has different eye shades, etc. etc. So maybe tumpe the thin eyeliner look good, so you can do it with that also. The process is something that I'm trying to show over here, not the shapes or anything. So please, according to your eye look, your eye size, and your eye shape, please try to use it accordingly. Going forward, I'm going to be using this brown shade. Mixing with this makes no sense at all, but I do this, so I'm going to be showing you the same thing. And I'm going to apply it here on my crease. Crease ही बोलते हैं ना. is it, and I'm going to end this eye look with a mascara. I don't use kajal in my waterline much because I feel it tends to leave a little bit of that blackness under my eye then by the end of the day. And I'm not a big fan of kajal either. I use a pencil as a eyeliner thing, but not as kajal. Maybe for some looks sometimes, but usually this is what I do on a everyday basis. This mascara is just amazing. Look how it just gone up my eye. So lips, I wanted a dark brown color, and after searching, I found this one online, which is the Beauty Berry Poppin Matte Lip Crayon. So I just outline my lips with this, and I smudge it with my lips. Up, I'm using this Swiss Beauty matte lipstick. The shade is very nude kind of, so it goes really well when you mix both of these lipsticks together. So this is it for the lips. I'm not going to use any gloss or anything. This is it. This compact powder again, I'm just setting a little bit, just finishing it off because I tend to get a little oily in this area. So I just take a brush and then finally set the entire face ऐसे करके. And this is it. This is all that I have been following recently for my makeup routine. You guys must have seen that this is a very close and connective video that I'm trying to do. I hope you guys like this kind of videos where you can naturally see me. I have been showing myself very naturally. I am not using any kind of filters or any kind of thing. So I'm trying to show my actual face at the start and by the end how it actually turns out when I do my makeup routine. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please do like, share, subscribe, and leave your beautiful comments. You guys are not following me on Instagram, then please do. I will post my ID somewhere here. Okay.